Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Right now I have the Chauvet DJ Intimidator Barrel 305 IRC. As you can see, I didn't really take care of this. This is mine. Haven't really taken, it's not in a good case, but I got a good case now. I got a hard case. And of course, the glass broke. So I am going to show exactly how you change this glass. It took me, honestly, Chauvet, if you're watching this, I've been waiting for this part for what feels like 4 years. Before COVID. This video is probably gonna go up in about like a week from when I filmed this. And before COVID, I ordered this part and I just got it. So let's get into it. So I do have two of these. This one is actually in way better condition than the other one, but I've already fixed the other one. So I can do this a lot quicker to show you how this is done. It's actually very, very easy. And we're gonna only like work on this side of the barrel. You're not gonna touch any of the screws on this side. So first, let's get this screw off right here. So with that screw removed, you can just take this metal plate off, which exposes these three screws. And all you're gonna do is unscrew 1, 2, and 3, the 3 inner screws. Don't worry about these. Don't worry about these. Just these 3 inner screws are gonna come out. So now with these 3 screws removed, you can raise this out. Just be careful. So in case you have broken glass, this one's in good shape, but the last one wasn't. But if it's broken glass, put a glove on. So that's the broken one. Let's show it. There we go. And here is our new one. So let's get this one in. You can see that there's a circle there. That is gonna go right over this bigger circle here. So you wanna line it up and be gentle. So I'm gonna put down the camera and get this on. Once you get it on, line up the screw holes, and then let's put back the screws. What I do is I put the first screw in by hand just to hold it in place, and then I proceed with the next screw and I tighten that in with a handheld screwdriver. Do not use a power tool. Okay, got all 3 screws back in on the inside piece. Now we gotta get the metal plate back on. And there we go. It has been repaired. So let's turn it on.